Hooking your audience visually used to require a massive budget. But what if you literally had an entire creative agency sitting right inside your laptop? This explainer is proudly produced by AAGHAZ Ai, educator and AI agents and automation builder for educators, traders, and startups based in Karachi, Pakistan. Today, we're diving deep into how you can completely transform product photography using advanced AI. Let's get into it.
So, here's a thought. Can AI actually replace a high-end physical studio? We're going to challenge that old-school idea that premium scroll-stopping product shoots absolutely demand expensive physical resources.
Think about a traditional shoot. It's honestly a logistical nightmare, right? You're setting up lighting, rushing to buy fake ice cubes, arranging sets, hiring models. It's exhausting and expensive. Contrast that with the modern AI workflow. Today, all you really need are precise prompts, a solid reference image, AI tools like Hexfield software, and a mindset for iterative tweaking. It's lightning fast, incredibly agile, and yields highly professional results.
Here is our roadmap for today. We'll be covering the AI branding revolution, perfecting product realism, mastering reference images, crafting lifestyle imagery, and finally, visualizing the brand feed. All right, Section 1, the AI branding revolution, a new era of agility. The biggest game changer here is the sheer speed of iteration. Say you've got a brand named Squeezed. You can tell the AI to instantly test transparent variations or slap a highly professional logo right onto your product in seconds. Got a specific vision in mind? Just inject it into the prompt, and the AI brings it to life seamlessly. Moving right along to Section 2, perfecting product realism, refining the foundation. When it comes to your product's foundation, shape and texture matter immensely. For example, in our source material, the creator took a standard flat tin can and upgraded it to a premium cylindrical can with a really stylish rounded top. They even tweaked the texture of the liquid, prompting for a dark, pure apple juice look to make it feel incredibly realistic and premium. To get this right, you absolutely have to use an iterative design loop. First, generate your initial concept. Second, critically review it for physical realism. Third, refine your prompt to fix any wonky shapes or colors. And fourth, upscale the winning image to a crisp 4K resolution. Pro tip, never settle for that very first output. Okay, Section 3, mastering reference images. The magic of context. So what exactly is a reference image? Well, it's simply a source visual you feed into the AI to dictate the composition, the lighting, the environment, or the overall style, all without altering your core product. This is literally your secret weapon for avoiding that generic, fake AI art look we all want to stay away from. You can grab some incredible inspiration from platforms like Dribbble or Pinterest. Picture this, a cinematic setup with 100 cans sitting on a metal shelf in a deep freezer, ice crystals clinging to the metal. You take that reference vibe, feed it into a custom GPT, match it with your brand's color palette, and boom, the AI recreates that exact high-end environment specifically for your product. Up next, Section 4, crafting lifestyle imagery, the human element. Nailing realistic lifestyle shots requires a highly specific prompt anatomy. You don't just ask for a person. You need to specify the age, like a 19-year-old, the demographic, say Gen Z, add the ethnicity, physical traits like curly hair, and, this is crucial, the camera style. Think raw, candid iPhone-style shot. This formula ensures the generated imagery perfectly aligns with your brand's actual target demographic. Once you've generated that perfect lifestyle reference image, it's time for a seamless replacement. You command the AI to keep the model, the background, and that raw lighting exactly the same, but you instruct it to perfectly place your exact 4K branded product directly into their hand. Now, I've got a really high-value tech tip for you. When you're working with these massive 24-megabyte 4K files, sometimes platform download buttons just glitch out. It happens. If it does, simply right-click, select Inspect Element in your browser, hover over the image link in the code, and grab the direct image source file right from there. Finally, Section 5, visualizing the brand feed, the big picture. To see the big picture, you take your best 6 or 7 variations, your top views, the lifestyle shots, those frosty freezer grids, and you upload them to generate a 3-column, 9:16 ratio Instagram feed mockup. Doing this lets you instantly check the layout, the spacing, and the visual consistency to guarantee a premium brand vibe before anything ever goes live. There's a fantastic quote from the source material I want to highlight here. It says, I would generate at least 40 images, but finally select only 10 to 12 for the ultimate brand look. That is exactly the mindset you need. Quantity leads to quality, and curation is every bit as important as generation. The last step is to polish and deliver. The AI definitely does the heavy lifting, but don't hesitate to pull those final assets into Photoshop or Canva for manual touch-ups or to edit out any weird AI text. By the way, offering this kind of full-page visual branding as an extra service builds incredible client trust, and it drastically improves ad conversions compared to just running a single, simple image.
So, I'll leave you with this to think about. How will you use AI to iterate and elevate your brand's digital visual identity today? The tools to build a virtual million-dollar studio are sitting right there on your laptop. Go out, apply what we've covered, and start creating.